Solar Stack. Serving as a container, the Solar Stack is comparable in dimensions and aesthetics to a standard brick, devised specifically for the assembly of solar panels. The design eliminates the necessity for drilling mounts into rooftops or any sturdy material, thereby reducing extensive construction efforts during setup. In the world of do-it-yourself, this is where the fun truly begins. Once the foam is solid and steady, your Solar Stack transforms into your personal powerhouse, all set to soak up the sunshine and spit out savings. Manifesting sustainable energy has never been this seamless or simple. And the best part is that the foam is ready within 24 hours, rendering it ready for use. These securing devices are versatile and can be utilized on both level and sloped surfaces. Their user-friendly nature allows them to be easily installed by a single individual in minimal time span. They are also compatible to adhere with metal, ceramic, and bitumen surfaces. Bolix BQS. These synthetically constructed brick imitations are adaptable brick-looking ribbons and have a thickness ranging from 1 to 2 inches or 3 to 5 millimeters. They have been designed to mimic the aesthetic of a bare brick wall. This removes the need for splurging on expensive real bricks and hiring labor for their installation. Installation of Bolix bricks is straightforward. They can be attached easily with an adhesive or mortar according to preference. They are also conveniently customizable. You can trim them down as per the required dimensions or angles. Not only do these faux bricks render an appealing brick-like appearance, but they are also resilient against scratches, provide insulation, and resist weather-related damage, offering all the advantages of real bricks without burning a hole in your pocket. With Bolix, not only do you get a variety of stylish options, but you also have the chance to express your unique personality. You're no longer limited to existing designs. Let your creativity loose and craft your own dazzling color scheme. Whether you prefer something sleek and sophisticated or coarse and textured, Bolix has you covered. Hybris. The Hybris is a unique honeycomb-esque alternative to the commonplace foam insulation in today's houses and is designed to capture and hold heat within its cells. Apart from this, it boasts a feather-like construction and supreme flexibility that doesn't deteriorate over time. Unlike traditional insulators that compact with age, Hybris remains resilient. Its lightweight nature simplifies handling and storage while providing flexibility without releasing any bothersome fibers when damaged or installed. Plus, it can be effortlessly cut and reshaped as required. Moreover, Hybris stands out for its negligible contraction rate over time, along with providing soundproofing and waterproofing features. This multifunctional insulator also facilitates wire installation without requiring separate insulation, making it an all-inclusive solution for your modern homes. Driveable turf. Contrary to what its name might suggest, drivable turf isn't some fancy machinery for laying out grass while on the move. Instead, it's an intriguing substitute for traditional brick and concrete driveways. This so-called turf is actually a blend of sleek polymer, mesh scattered with tiny polymer blocks in a specific pattern, topped with a layer of sand and binder. Sandwiched within these solidified cells lies an adhesive that holds down the astroturf. What makes this synthetic turf stand out is its water-draining feature, thanks to the polymer mesh, ensuring easy cleaning and providing a crisp appearance all year round. Plus, it simplifies the process of driveway installation in areas where ground levels may be uneven or bumpy, offering convenience wrapped up in aesthetic appeal. Imagine a playground that never gets mucky, no matter how hard it rains, or a driveway that doesn't turn into an ice rink in the winter. Think about all the fun possibilities these turfs open up. They're like the superheroes of the landscape world, turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. No more slipping on damp grass or tripping over cracked pavements either. And just when you thought things couldn't get any better, these versatile turfs are low maintenance too. Canada Docks. The Canada Docks represents the first of its kind in the world, a pre-assembled, entirely bolted-together wharf constructed from marine-grade aluminum. This easily transportable structure can be loaded onto a truck and effortlessly launched into the water. It offers both floating and stationary versions, which can be affixed to an existing bridge or dock for extension purposes. Moreover, this innovative design permits the building of an entirely new area, where a foundation can be set up on land, with dock sections readily connected to each other. This feature provides simple opportunities for future expansions. Imagine the thrill of creating your very own floating paradise from these adaptable Canadian docks. Whether you're a freshwater fan or a saltwater savant, these versatile sections fit in seamlessly, just like the last piece of a nautical jigsaw puzzle. What's even more exciting is that you can choose from various sizes to build your dream pontoon. Nextstone Slatestone 2. Nextstone is a UV-resistant polyurethane compound. Or to put it simply, it's a type of polymer component that can be mounted over structures like pillars or posts. Its role extends beyond offering insulation and safeguarding. It also imparts an aesthetic appeal by giving the illusion of layered stone without burdening you with the corresponding expense. They basically function as an attachable shell or facade that can be fitted over any chosen substance and even incorporate a lighting system. This alternative eliminates the need for expensive measures, like proper insulation, mortar, concrete, tiles, or bricks, while delivering identical advantages and visual appeal. This isn't a boring transformation, with dimensions coming in at a nifty 46 by 7.8 inches or 119 by 20 centimeters. These pieces are perfect for jazzing up those dull corners of your abode. Don't you love the idea of turning your everyday pillars into something fabulous? It's like having your very own art gallery right in the comfort of your home. Durisol Bukobran. As much as you might crave silence, it isn't always easy to achieve. Yet with Durisol, you can reach an incredible noise reduction of up to 30 decibels, primarily composed of wood chips and mineral additives. It serves as an insulation material, specifically designed to be placed alongside bustling highways and roads in residential areas. Resembling concrete barriers in structure, the Durisol Bukobran is a stackable wall offering dual benefits of privacy and soundproofing by mitigating the noise generated by passing vehicles. Now, it's all fun and games until someone mentions highway safety, right? But with Durisol, even the most jaded road warriors can't help but crack a smile. The installation process is so effortless that it puts IKEA furniture to shame. Not only does it put a protective barrier between your hunky steel beast and grandma's front porch, but it also drastically shrinks the odds of your car becoming modern art after a fender bender. Kerkoll Flowtech Kilma. Touted as an alternative, all-organic substitute to the usual cement or mortar-grounded tile bases employed in residences, is the Kerkoll Flowtech Kilma. It's believed that this fully organic substance can self-level within approximately 60 minutes, with a thickness variance from 0.04 to 1.6 inches or 10 to 40 millimeters. Once it solidifies, it's just as functional as any standard foundation, facilitating straightforward carpet or tile overlaying. Moreover, compared to concrete-based foundations, this material offers superior natural insulation properties. Its performance is top-notch due to its precise control of temperature and humidity. It's like a maestro conducting an orchestra, except instead of violins and cellos, it's manipulating dew points and degrees with sheer brilliance. However, before you roll up your sleeves and dive in, remember that this isn't a Lego set. The beauty behind its simplicity lies in the expertise that built it. So leave this one to the pros. Easy Builder. Easy Builder can be likened to an IKEA version of a do-it-yourself shed. It's essentially a simple garage or shed assembly kit designed for easy construction by one person or a small team in the least number of steps possible. The standard package includes only instructions, the frame, and their unique steel fastener. This patented fastener is designed to take the place of traditional nails and screws, typically used in wooden structures. With this system, builders can swiftly slide the fastener onto various planks to assemble a frame quickly and efficiently. Hithick. The Hithick is the quintessential tile originating from the heart of Italy and is designed to be among the most dependable and adaptable tiling options. It presents impressive stability that allows it to stand without any reinforcement due to its exceptional sturdiness. Furthermore, a 0.8-inch or 20mm thick Hithick tile can effortlessly bear up to 2,000 pounds or 900 kilograms of weight. Its flexible nature makes it suitable for installation on stands, patios, or even grass, offering variety in sizes and thickness tailored for specific building sectors. Each Hithick tile promises uniform resistance against extreme temperature and heavy weights and pressures. Interestingly enough, the largest tile measures up to 4.7 by 4.7 inches or 120 millimeters, underlining their adaptability across various construction contexts. Obram W. Obram W stands as a potent sealer mortar for water halting, designed to be applied as a short-term solution to leaky spots or utilized in construction for waterproofing. It swells and stiffens quickly when it comes into contact with water. The ease of its removal allows for the damaged area's subsequent proper repair, but it can also be left undisturbed over the faulty zone. Notably, any leftover substance has the potential to be employed again, albeit with somewhat diminished results, extending its longevity beyond that of traditional silicone-based waterproof solutions. Driveable. As you may have guessed from its moniker, Drifil serves as an inaugural assistant in construction. This sealant, bearing a resemblance to silicone, is designed specifically to simplify the process of sealing damaged or worn-out cable lines and crafting fresh ones, while also supplying insulation and flexibility for those cables. Drifil operates as a malleable sealant when soft, which can be effortlessly molded and squeezed into areas where it's required. Over time, the substance hardens yet preserves its semi-elasticity once set. The significance here is that it can securely keep the cables in check, with its accompanying component, thermoplastic sleeves. Imagine these sleeves as party balloons, stretching out their tubular structures to embrace the life of the cables. They dance in open spaces, offering a solid handshake to the sealant, and work like a dynamic duo to keep things rolling smoothly. The cables are then free to groove within this protective bubble. It's like a fun house for your cables, where safety meets flexibility. They can twist, turn, and tangle without a care in the world. If you enjoyed this video, click on the playlist on the right of the screen for more content like this.